QS stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Quantumscape stock a buy? I'll be breaking all this thing down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Ultimately, looking at QS, it's in this big correction phase, bro. Like 2% down, it's something. But like genuinely speaking, unless I see any sort of a double break or something close, I'm not going to be buying, you know. This is how my chart's looking like. I know like this is a bigger of a correction, but as long as I stick to my 44,000 video like strategy refinement that I've done over 5 years, I know I'll be okay, because that's what the data shows, and all the data is documented on this YouTube channel. So with QS, yeah, nothing has changed. I know it's going to keep melting down, but this is more so like a swing, so it probably will take time. And if it doesn't give me the shift, then bro, I'm not buying, you know. A lot of people are overcomplicating this sort of stuff. So it all began here when I was long in this YouTube video way before HIN, right? So it was sitting at 636 at that time. This is 4 weeks back, and then yeah, it was great. Love it. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated.